Tired of your iPhone storage being full of undefined other files? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to clear out your other system data storage on iPhone. Now let's get started. You can check out your iPhone storage space by opening your Settings app. Then select General. Tap iPhone Storage. Here you'll find a breakdown of what's taking up your storage space on your device. In the newer versions of iOS, Other has been renamed to System Data. See how much data is being used by this category. While there's no easy button to clear this data out, there is a fix to get rid of any unnecessary data on your device. In order to clear out all of your other system data, you can back up your device, reset it completely, then restore it from your saved backup. To begin the process of backup and restoration, open your settings. Then tap your name at the top. Tap iCloud. Select iCloud Backup. Then tap Backup Now. Allow your backup to complete so all your important data will be saved to iCloud. Once your backup is done, you can move on to resetting your device. To do this, open Settings and select General. Scroll to the bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. At the bottom, tap Erase All Content and Settings. Go through the steps on your screen to remove everything from your device. Once you've erased everything from your device, restore your backup from iCloud. You'll need to sign in to your iCloud account and select the most recent backup you had just completed. Your device will restart a couple of times throughout the restoration process. After you've finished erasing and restoring your device, your other system data should be reduced. This is a lengthy process, but it's a great way to remove unnecessary other data. That does it for our guide to clearing your other storage space on iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.